everyone, today we are talking about differences between American's education system and France's education system. In fact, there are a lot of things that are different. So, let's go! First, in America, students sometimes wear uniform. It varies of the establishment. Every school has its own colors form for uniform. Each establishment chooses if students wear one or not. It's not obligate, contrary to France where uniforms are very rarely except to private schools.
In US they have a cheerleader and basketer. That's the student most popular. The cheerleader dance, sing and make acrobatic for lead the public during a match. They keep their uniform in class. In France we have done that.
In American education, basketball players have an important role. They represent the school and they confront other schools during matches in year. In France, we haven't basketball team.
In America, libraries are larger than in France, called CDI. Then in States, libraries are open every day, even at night, but in France it was impossible to go it at the weekend, and CDIs close after the end of school at 6 p.m.
In France, in the end of college, we have a bac, a degree or past end of years. In the US, they have done that, but is the degree is given end of years, but it is a continuous control. For accompanied, a ceremony takes place with a speech of students.
In America, there are a lot of parties. Parties of brotherhood, parties of town, the week of integration, and prom at the end of the studies. Borrowing costumes, limousine to take the girl to the prom. However, in France, there are not really big parties at the end of the school year. It's the young people who organize an evening at home. In America, every student brings their lunchbox at school. Contrary in French, students can do that. They eat in a self-service restaurant or they go back home in noon.
In US, a student comes in a yellow bus or in car because they have a driving license at the age of 16. In France, we come in a city bus or the parents with shut up going out to work.
In America, relationships between students and teachers are much more fusional compared with France. Students can call the teacher on their mobile phone. Moreover, each teacher is the tutor of a student. However, in France, this relationship is more at distanced. People must find their teacher kind of costume, and they do not have the number of the teacher. In United States, education is a luxury. The cost of education vary, but are on average between $15,000 to $50,000. In France, the education and the studies are practically free at public universities.
American students have a locker for all education long. That is 4 years in a high school or 3 years in a college. They are large and students can customize with a picture, drawing, poster. In France, lockers have half the size and change every year.
In America, the choice of university is very important. Students are proud to be part of a particular university. The marketing is set up for the university, sweatshirt, jackets. But in France, universities are made not much competition and students don't brag proudly about membership in the university.
Timetables in these different countries are very opposite. French students have a very busy timetable. In fact, they start from 8 a.m. and finish at 6 p.m. at college. And they also have a break to lunch and two between classes. American timetable is very different. They start from 8:30 and finish at 3:20. And they have a break to lunch too. But there are only one break.
The students American finishing much early as student French, so they have times for doing school activities such as theater, art, music, science, and a lot of sports. In France, we have IS and UNSS, out of school time.
In America, the notation is different to that of France. They use grade point. Each class corresponds in one number of credits to represent the lesson. With each note, A, B, C, and D correspond to an encrypted note. F is an elementary mark. On the other hand, France to mark with a point system, and assignment may be to 5 points, to 10 points, to 20 points, even to 40 points. It's the teacher who chooses.
Finally, in USA, television have an important role. In fact, teachers use it. They show report, documentary, even films. In France, we haven't got a lot of television in classroom. To conclude, this system of education are different. Moreover, in other countries, each one have his own system of education. But are one better than other?